Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to use Magic Eraser in a Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other older Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. You can use the Magic Eraser feature to remove the unwanted objects from the photo or remove text from the photo on your device. Let's see with example how it works. Open the app drawer on your device. Open the Google photo or select the photo on your device. So here we open the Google Photos application. Now select the any photo you want to remove the unwanted object, people or text. So here we open this photo. Now here you can see the two ladies. I want to remove this from the photo. So tap on the edit icon at the bottom. Now tap on action. Here you can find the magic eraser option. Tap on it. Make sure upload this photo to use this picture. So make sure upload this photo on your device to use this camera picture called magic eraser. Now after that tap circle or brush to erase it. So here we tap on the lady first and the second both. Now tap on the erase option at the bottom middle and it will apply the AI that will remove the peoples from the photos. You can also remove text. Now you can see it look amazing. Compared to previous version Pixel 9, it will very improve this Google Magic Eraser feature. You can see it will remove the people from the photo. Also background is remain the same as it is. So this is the very helpful feature to remove the object from the photos in a Google Pixel 10 or any other device. After that, you can also remove it on your device. Tap on a refine selection. If you want to change it, add or subtract key any up. So you can easily change. After that, tap on a done option. Tap on the bottom right corner arrow. Now it will save on your device. Now tap on the save as a copy at the top. You can also change it here. Tap on the save as a copy. Now the after this is the after applying magic eraser and this is the original photo. Here you can see the difference between how to use magic erasers to remove the object from photo. So this is the after effect, this is the before. So it's quite easy to use the magic eraser on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. That's it. If you like it, also hype it if you like this feature. Thank you for watching this.